Now we'll take question number 5. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Over. Okay. We'll go to next page. Based on this information now, in the question, we have to draw the figure. For this question, figure is not given. Can anyone tell me what you will draw first? Can anyone tell me what you will draw first? Very good. First, we have to draw triangle PQR. Let us say like this. S and T are points on sides PR and QR. PR and QR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So here we'll show 2 points. What is this point here? On PR? On PR we are having yes. On QR we are having T. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. That means angle P here is equal to angle RTS. It is given to us. These two are equal angles. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay. We can draw now smaller two triangles. See, you have to break the diagram into pieces such that each piece is useful to us. So here is one angle, and here you draw another triangle. Size may be anything, don't worry. For you, understanding is important. STR. Now in these two triangles, angle QPR is equal to angle STR. Angle STR. And what else? You look at this angle R. Angle R is what? PRQ. Also angle R is angle SRT. That means angle R is common angle for both the triangles. So this angle here and this angle here is common angle. So by AA rule, two triangles become similar triangles. That's all. Very simple proof it is. Now write. In triangle RPQ and RTS, in triangle RPQ and RTS, angle QPR is equal to angle STR. You go in one order, taking P and T at the center. That's all. You can also write angle RPQ equal to angle RTS. No doubt you can write like that. Okay? Both mean same there. You can reverse the order. By reversing this, vertex P here and vertex T here will remain in their positions. So angle will not change. It is given. And angle QRP should be equal to SRT. Last letter, first letter, second letter. Last letter, first letter, second letter. So QRP is equal to SRT. Reason is common. It's a common angle. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity criterion. By AA similarity criterion. Question number 6. Homework.